So it's around lunchtime, so we're gonna make some rice balls. Let's see if we can mess this up.
Shake it a little bit.
A little bit of shake.
Really?
Open it.
Okay. I think we I told you I wanted to do the easy one, and still I managed to screw it up.
too complicated for us. The rice is really like sticky and it has a really nice flavor to it. So Morris, 2 of us have failed so far. So you're our last chance to make a successful rice ball.
How hard could that be?
Oops.
What?
The seaweed. You didn't roll it.
Oh no! Oh wow. Oh.
大家现在看到非常漂亮的小田道站，其实它在30年前呢，田中的街道拓宽，把这边的房舍呢都打回了一半，所以造成这一户人家就是人口外移，那这边就变成了社区的治安死角。田理事长他就是一直想要找到一个社区大家活动的据点，所以集结了志工跟里民，大家一起把这边整理起来。那除了我们社区的居民自己使用之外，我们也希望可以开放给来田中游玩的游客，让他们在这边得到一个很放松的空间。
So it's around lunchtime, so we're gonna make some rice balls, and we've got teacher Changhua here to teach us how to make them.
Today I want to show you something special, especially in Tianzhong, because all of the farmer in Tianzhong, they all cultivate Tiger number 9. Tiger number 9 is shorter and rounder, and you taste more watering than other rice. It smells very good, especially when it becomes cool. Yeah, so it's very suitable for sushi or rice bowl.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So today I want to teach you how to make a rice bowl.
The easier the better for us.
Easier is rice bowl. Okay, so first of all, you have to open it. Open your model.
Oh, okay, like this?
Yes. And then put some rice. Yeah, very good. And then choose what you want to eat.
And now we have to add more rice on top, I think.
Okay. Press it down again.
Okay, let's see if we can mess this up. Okay, like this. Press it down.
Shake it a little bit.
A little bit of shake.
Really?
Okay,
Okay.
and now open it.
Okay. I think we.
Okay.
I told you I wanted to do the easy one, and still I managed to screw it up.
too complicated for us.
What do you think?
It's good.
This is good.
The rice is really like sticky and it has a really nice flavor to it. Yeah, so I can understand why people really like the rice here and why it works for rice balls.
It's fresh. It's good. Yeah. Congratulations.
Okay, so 2 of us have failed so far. So Morris, you're the last one. So you're our last chance to make a successful rice ball.
How hard could that be? Like in the center?
Press.
Oh, press it flat?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good. And then you can put some black sesame or white sesame or salt. Yeah, choose
Okay.
what you want. And I think the Chongyosu is very good. Okay, let's go to roll it.
Like this?
Yes.
Oh, like this?
It sounds like it's breaking, Morris.
Shh.
Oops.
What?
The seaweed. You didn't roll it.
Oh no! Oh wow! Oh.
We are square.
Oh my god.
I'm not done yet.
There's room for improvement.
It's interesting. It's interesting.
Well, you guys don't have room to comment, so.
Not good,
Yeah, right.
just unique.
Satisfactory. Yeah. The rice is really good. It's so moist that it sticks together really nicely. Has anyone ever succeeded with this?
You are the first one.
I succeeded?
Yes.
That was a success. Yay!
So it feels like Taiwan has been pretty successful at transforming old buildings into art centers. What do you think about this place?
其实台湾现在有很多这种乡下的老地方去重新的再造活化，我觉得就非常的好。那像我们这个地方，它把它重新弄得非常的漂亮，其实对这边的居民来讲也都是一件很好的事情。我们田中这个地方呢，它种稻米。那我们不只有农产品的出口，我们当然还有用农产品做一些副产品。那像这个的话，就是用稻子去做的香皂，它都没有加香料，对，也没有加其他的颜料，这个就是它原本的颜色跟香味。
Okay, so this is what those of my grandmother's generation would use. Like they would use one soap for like shower, to wash their clothes, to wash their hands, like everything with one soap.
So, because she's using it for so many different things, is that why she'd want like a more gentle smell to it?
I think so. This is like kind of like 2.0, where you can exfoliate your skin.
Yeah.
You know?
When you smell it, does it remind you of your childhood or something like that?
Yeah.
It's all coming back to you.
Yeah, it's all coming to me. Yeah.